Would you bid on larger contracts if 70% of your upfront costs could be covered with a financing partner? Here's an example of how we recently helped a frozen food company go from $1 million in revenue to $15 million in revenue with purchase order financing. The business was able to get a meeting with a really large national grocery chain. The grocer was so impressed with one of their products that they gave them a purchase order to place a product in 2,200 stores. The issue for our client is that they didn't have the upfront cash they needed to fulfill the production cost before they could invoice. I had a perfect solution. I connected them with one of our top purchase order financing partners. Once the lender saw the strength of the contract, they offered a financing facility which provided up to 70% of the upfront cost to cover things like raw materials and packaging and labeling and co-packing and their transportation cost. Now, this allowed our client to take on this large order, which was a game changer for their business. Through this contract alone, their revenues will grow over $15 million this year versus just 1.5 million last year. Do not turn down the opportunity for larger orders. Download our free purchase order readiness checklist by clicking on the video below. Now, should you have an opportunity you would like to discuss that you need upfront cash on, please reach out by scheduling a call at my calendar link below or email me the details and I'll be sure to respond. Thanks for checking out this video. Please share this with other business owners who may find the video helpful, and kindly consider subscribing to this channel where we'll discuss other relevant videos for business owners.